Okay, it's Thursday, June 29th, just following up on Netflix. You can see it's starting to head lower here on the 15-minute chart. I bought puts here at around the blue line. Now it's heading towards those intraday lows. I just scaled out to set up a no-risk trade. I bought those 435 puts at 585. I was going to exit at 7, but I decided just to scale out at 685. A point higher here. You can see they're kind of asking 710 right now, so you probably could have got filled at 7. But anyway, it's a no risk trade. We'll see if it continues lower here, and maybe it'll be a big reversal day on the stock. You never know, but it's at no risk right now. I'll see if I see these double bottoms here, which look primed to be taken out. So we'll see if we can get all the way down there. On the daily chart, if we get those areas, we kind of are getting the 2-up failure where you take out the high of the previous day, get below the 50% of that. We could be heading to those lows. And weekly chart is kind of like the market itself, inside bar that fell to the downside heading higher. So you got that conflict in play, but the SPY itself is kind of reaching its target right now of the weekly high, and maybe it's a pause area. And like I said, a lot of these QQQ stocks are a little weaker today, but tough to say. We might just come down to the midpoint of this prior green day and then hold there on a kind of a 1 push, 2 push down kind of thing, hold, and then this next move up could start all the way up before the afternoon's over. So at this point, I'll kind of just watch 15 minutes price structure at no risk. The targets seem to be these two lows. We'll see if it gets there. And, you never know. Once it hits there, you got a lot of fair value gap down here. Again, that'll all be based on how weak the market may want to get before the, into the afternoon. So at least it's no risk right now to kind of watch it and judge it. If we don't get down here and take all that out, then you can just break even on the rest of the trade and have a small gain. So let's see what happens with Netflix. We're about noon right now, so you got still 3 hours to go in trading. We'll see if it kind of takes out this target, and if so, then what happens from there.